Hi, Dave here again. We're using the 5-inch stainless steel bowl, and what we're going to do is program on it the SpineTingler. The SpineTingler Energy for chakra work at the base of the spine. And the dimensions we're going to use to self-sustain, we're going to use 1.429 inches. And we're going to beat that against 0.910 inches. And these two frequencies will interact with one another at 90 degrees, setting up a vibration that sustains itself on the stainless steel bowl. Let's see how we do here. This is how I do it. You're going to get this one centered, both sides of the middle. I'm going to bring the smaller one inside of it and work them a little bit until you get it perfectly even and you feel the vibration come up on the bowl. Just take your time and get it right. You'll feel it come up. There it is. And now the vibration's on the bowl. It doesn't matter what you do now, that vibration is there. That's nice. The SpineTingler is set on the chair near the back where you sit, and then you're going to set in front of it and just slide back. So the lower spine just touches right in the middle, and then basically you'll just wait until you feel that energy start to come up the back of your spine. And it will resonate with the lowest chakra and shoot right up into your head. You might feel it at the top of the head. It's a very nice way to open your first chakra. If you've never done meditations before, you don't know what to expect, what it's going to feel like. But once this vibration comes in and you just don't resist it, let it come in, then it can shoot down your legs. You'll feel it spread out up into your lower back. And it'll bring a type of energy maybe you've never felt before. Similar to Kundalini, if not Kundalini. It's kind of an orgasmic energy once you open to it and you start to feel it. So this is a very good way to do it. You can actually set with it on your left hand if you're already sensitive. And you can feel it go right to your spine and to the top of your head. But if you're not sensitive, you've never done this before, you want to put it back in the chair right at the very base, flat on the chair, and then just slide back till you're touching it. And then just sit there and wait. Yeah, that's very simple. That's all there is to it. You want to get your calipers set accurately, those two settings, and that should be good. Demonstrating now how to discharge the bowl to get the vibrations cleared back off of it. I have a little unit here. It's got a 5-volt power supply in it, and you don't want to short out a power supply, so what it's got in there is a 50 ohm resistor into a 690 microfarad capacitor, so that the capacitor will discharge across the bowl and leave 50 ohms on the power supply so it doesn't pop the power supply off. Basically, the capacity of discharge is enough to dislodge the vibrations. We're going to take the negative lead, put it to the center of the bowl, and then we're going to tap the voltage on the outer edge. After we turn the power supply on. Okay, power supply is on now. Here we go. Going to just tap it on there. and you feel the bowl crash. The vibration just crashes totally, it's gone. If you have a stubborn one, you can tap it down the sides at different points. And just that little discharge of electric field flowing down there breaks up the mass resonance that we'd set up. And now the bowl's dead. You shouldn't leave bowls active. I don't recommend it. They should be discharged when you're done.